Yeah. Hello, ladies. Hello, gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. This one is a wet little ride. This should be fun. 50 degrees, rain, Queens. Here we come back to Brooklyn. How was everybody's day today? My day is pretty good. Can't really complain. I just had this conference for the last 6 hours, 5 hours, and it was about diversity. It was about racism, sexism, and stuff like that in the workplace and in the school. And look at me, I'm getting wet. I'm getting soaked. Once again, I'm wearing my fucking leather jacket with leather boots, and it's pouring rain because I'm a fucking idiot. But it's okay. I don't mind. So yeah, this workshop was very interesting because it was all about like aggressions and microaggressions and micro insults and things that all of us are guilty of at all times. Anyway, this topic is just too strong. We don't need to discuss it, really. But here we are. We are gonna get on the BQE to Brooklyn. Why the fuck is the light red? Like, there's no people walking here. Fucking stupid. I'm all worked up. But one good thing that really happened was the food, because this event was catered. So in the morning there were like delicious bagels with cream cheese and stuff, which I'm a big fan of. But for lunch it was Indian food, and Indian food happens to be one of my favorite foods ever. I love Indian food. I love chicken tikka masala and butter chicken and, you know, biryani rice and aloo naan and all that stuff. Like, there's a couple of dishes that I really like. Anyway, back to riding. It's fucking raining, cold. I'm on BQE. There's no traffic ahead, and these people can't fucking drive. I really hate these drivers. Like, look at this. Why is there so many gaps in between people and in between cars if the road is wide open ahead? Makes no sense. It's that stupid cop holding people up. Oh, what a beautiful day. But the best part is that it's Friday and that it's the end of the work day, and I get to go home now and just relax. I don't really have to do anything. I can just chill. I'm gonna watch Grand Tour, which is this awesome TV show about cars. Big fan there. And I really hate the fact that that one taxi is holding up the whole traffic, all of it. No time to waste, buddy. Fucking cooking it in the rain with some butter. But yeah, Indian food, love it. So anyway, microaggressions, racism, sexism, all sorts of things. Oh, this fucking truck is about to spray me. I'm wet. Moisture is the essence of wetness. And here I am, cooking it with butter in the rain. All good. I'm gonna have to split a little bit because I can't be chilling in the rain. Not today. I don't have the mind state to sit in the rain today. beautiful ride. What can I say? I'm fucking soaked. I am fucking soaked. But nothing new there. Freaking windy as hell. Very windy. Unexpected. I don't know what is happening here, but this person does not want to get ahead, which is fine. I'm gonna get off on this exit here because the highway is played out. Anyway, weird little vlog. Wet, cold little vlog. I'm soaked. I'm soaked. It's funny because you can't really tell, I guess, on camera right now how hard it's raining. Plus, like, my gloves are still dry in some parts, so I could see how, you know, I'm probably not even really wet like expected. But this is nice. They fixed this part, so finally there's 2 lanes here. Nice and wide open. I don't mind that. So I'm gonna get ahead of this truck here. Thank you. Appreciate it. Beautiful wet Brooklyn. What is this person doing? Moisture, wetness. It's the only 2 words that I can think of right now. Moisture and wetness. Can you fucking move? Come on, why are we going so slow? I wish you guys were connected to my brain, because, like, even though I'm not talking out loud, all sorts of thought processes are going through my stupid little head, and little outbursts where I say, oh, this guy fucking sucks or something like that. That's like, those are the boilovers. That's not what I'm really thinking. It's just what comes out once in a while. But either way, really appreciate all you guys watching the vlogs and commenting and liking and all that stuff. Appreciate it. Never take it for granted. Thank you. But long story short, this vlog is over. This was a weird short ride where I like lane split a bunch, so might be a short video. Bye bye.